The situation continues to be extremely grim in Bangladesh. The atrocities against Hindus continues. In the latest, at least 63 ISKCON priests, monks and workers were prevented from coming to India. This despite the fact that they had their passport, their valid visas, all travel documents. But the immigration authorities stopped them in Bangladesh. Why? They have no reason. It's just that they were told that the Professor Muhammad Yunus administration in Dhaka and the police did not want ISKCON members to leave the country. On Sunday, a woman journalist, a Hindu woman journalist was attacked. She was being accused of being an Indian stooge, and the attack was by a mob of radical Islamists, and it's this mob of radical Islamists that's ruling the streets across Bangladesh. Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, she's urged Prime Minister Narendra Modi to approach the United Nations and said that peacekeeping forces need to be sent to Bangladesh, and in case Hindus want to return to India, Bengal will make arrangements. More in this report.
Bangladeshi Hindus face persecution under the Muhammad Yunus government. Days after Hindu priest Chinmoy Das was arrested, 63 Bangladeshi ISKCON monks were not allowed to cross to India despite possessing valid documents. The police had last week arrested 2 ISKCON priests who had visited Chinmoy Das in prison to hand over food and medicines. The police claimed that the 2 priests were arrested on November 29 in connection with some pending cases in which there was suspects.
अभी तक बांग्लादेश में 4 ब्रह्मचारियों को गिरफ्तार किया गया है। 2 दिन पहले जब चिन्मय कृष्णा प्रभु को दवा और प्रसाद लेके 2 ब्रह्मचारी गए थे, तो जब वापस आ रहे थे उनको पुलिस ने गिरफ्तार कर लिया, और चिन्मय कृष्ण दास के जो सेक्रेटरी हैं उनको भी गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया है। और हमारे एक ISKCON सेंटर में भी एक कल तोड़फोड़ हुई।
A Hindu journalist was also attacked in capital Dhaka. The mob that targeted journalist Munni Shaha accused her of being a raw agent. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has urged the government of India to take up the matter with the United Nations.
Foreigners of India can take up the matter with the United Nations so that they can send the peacekeeping force in Bangladesh and they can get food or people from Bangladesh.
Mamata vowed to accept Bangladeshi Hindus in West Bengal and give them all the necessities.
আমি ব্যক্তিগতভাবে মনে করি যে এটা তার জন্য খুব সঠিক পদক্ষেপ না রাজনৈতিক দৃষ্টিভঙ্গি থেকে।
The BJP accused the TMC of shedding crocodile tears for Bangladeshi Hindus.
দুর্গা মণ্ডপে ঢুকে যখন জিহাদিরা বলল শাক বাজাবেন না, উলুধ্বনি দেবেন না, ঢাক বাজাবেন না, কোথায় ছিল আপনার পুলিশ? গার্ডেন রিচে দুর্গা মণ্ডপে ঢুকে বলল গীতা পাঠ, চণ্ডী পাঠ, মন্ত্র উচ্চারণের মাইক বন্ধ করো, কোথায় ছিল আপনার পুলিশ? ওপারে ইউনুস যাহা, এবারে মমতা ব্যানার্জি তাহা।
Shiv Sena UBT MP Priyanka Chaturvedi wrote a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi urging him to hold the Yunus government accountable for targeted attacks on Hindus. The attacks on minority Hindu community in Bangladesh has invited condemnation from across the world. Meanwhile, over 50 protesters reportedly entered the premises of the Bangladeshi mission in Agartala. India's Ministry of External Affairs expressed regret, and Bangladesh Foreign Ministry condemned the breach of the Bangladesh Assistant High Commission in Tripura. The ouster of Sheikh Hasina government and the unrest that followed have become a diplomatic challenge for New Delhi. Bureau Report, India Today.